Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to download OpenSea application on your Android device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are done, open your Play Store. In the home page or the app section of your Play Store, go ahead and tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now, go to the search section at the top and type in OpenSea. After you search for OpenSea, look for the OpenSea NFT Marketplace application and tap on the install button right next to it. After you tap on install, the application download process will begin. OpenSea is the world's leading decentralized marketplace for buying, selling, and trading NFTs. It is available as a mobile app for iOS and Android, which will allow its users to explore, manage, and showcase their digital collectibles directly from their device. And that's how you easily download OpenSea application on your Android phone. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.